how to install new keyboard. So you take the old keyboard. The keys are falling out. So you follow the wire and you go beneath the the table where the keyboard is connected to your computer. Basically, this is that wire, right? So we can see that this is this wire. Okay. It goes somewhere here. Oh my god. It goes over here. You unplug the keyboard and you take it out. You take it out like that. Yeah, right? It doesn't coming like that easy. So, okay. The missing key is over here, right? It doesn't fit anymore. So the new keyboard goes right there where it belongs. So over there you push that little cable USB connector over there. So you crawl back. Okay, you took that connector, take it back where it belongs, slide it in the USB cable, in the USB connector. Let's try this one. Alright, so, and then, you press enter, and as it seems, it's working fine, like a piece of cake.